Hi everybody, Peggy Yates with Never Forgotten Designs, and I wanted to show you really quickly how I use our new unicorn fun food sprinkles to put a little bit of color and magic to a latte that I'm putting together just to show off the new sprinkle collection. Next, I'm going to get some piping gel, or if you have corn syrup available, that will work, and just brush the rim of my cup. And that's going to make it really easy for the fun food sprinkles to stick straight to that rim without falling off. You can also use water, but I prefer using something a little bit more tacky and sticky, which is piping gel in this case. Next, I'm using my larger wafer paper unicorn horns and ears, and I'm just using a little piping gel again to make them stand upright on the inside of my coffee cup rim. It's super easy. They are sold in sheets from Never Forgotten Designs. You cut out the shapes, the ears and the horns, and just put them in cupcakes, or in this case, I'm putting it on a cup. Now you see I'm just brushing a little bit of Roxy and Rich hybrid sparkle dust right on the unicorn horn ears and the horns. This is just a perfect little sparkle to add to any of our wafer paper designs, and I'm using a little bit of edible glaze thinner to thin it out so that I can paint with it.